So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment indoor air pollution week 3rd assignment 3rd. So the first question is indoor to outdoor PM 2.5 ratios are higher in case of dash natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, exhaust fans, air ducts. So let's check the answer of first question. So the answer of first question mechanical versus natural ventilation indoor to outdoor PM 2.5 ratios were 0.87 for natural ventilation. So the answer of first question is A, natural ventilation. Now the second question is which of the following compounds causes lung cancer? Hydrogen, argon, krypton, radon. So let's check the answer of second question. So the answer of second question, special case radon. High exposure causes lung cancer. So the answer of second question is D, radon. Now the third question is the relation between ventilation rate and air exchange rate is dash. Inversely proportional, directly proportional, equal, not related. So let's check the answer of third question. Air exchange rate, ventilation rate can be calculated as Q equal to AV. So the question number third answer is B, directly proportional. Now the fourth question is which of the following pollutant is most effectively removed by indoor surfaces such as wall, ceiling and ducts? So these are the option PM 2.5, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, carbon monoxide. So let's check the answer of fourth question. Ozone, indoor levels of ozone are much lower in relation to outdoor level than NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Indoor ozone react with VOCs to form submicro particles. So the answer of fourth question is C, ozone. Now the fifth question is which of the following is a common physical process that affects the movement of outdoor particles into indoor environment? Photolysis, diffusion, combustion, corrosion. So let's check the answer of fifth question. So the answer of fifth question is B, diffusion. Now the sixth question is the indoor to outdoor ratio of concentration is close to 1 for dash carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, fine particulates and inert gases. So let's check the answer of sixth question. For inert gases or gases which do not have indoor sources, nitrogen IO is expected to be close to 1. So the answer of sixth question is D, inert gases. Now the seventh question is which type of ventilation system has control over airflow path in indoor setting? So these are the option natural ventilation, passive ventilation, mechanical ventilation, mixed mode ventilation. So the answer of seventh question is mechanical ventilation airflow path can be controlled. So the answer of seventh question is C, mechanical ventilation. Now the eighth question is optimization of ventilation rate to dash L by SPP contribute to 20% reduction burden of diseases attributable to indoor air pollution. So these are the option 3, 2, 4, 1. So the answer of eighth question optimization of ventilation rate along to 4L by SPP. So the answer of eighth question is C, 4. Now the ninth question is identify the correct statement that depict the characteristics of courtyards provided in building. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, second and third. Provide natural ventilation driven by thermal buoyancy forces due to indoor and outdoor air density differences, reduces direct heat entry to indoors. Now the 10th question is ambient ozone levels are high in location with dash solar radiation level low equal 0 high. So let's check the answer of 10th question. So the answer of 10th question ambient ozone levels are high in location high solar radiation level. So the answer of 10th question is D, high. So let's submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.